Good morning again, everybody. This is Jonathan Dykes again with Renu Krew Softwash. Today we're back in Foxworth, Mississippi, and we are about to do a roof cleaning and house wash and some driveway cleaning. We got Blake over here who's doing some plant protection right now, soaking everything down. We got Brett over here on the surface cleaner, and we're about to get started. Matter of fact, we already started. So come along for the ride. We'll run some time lapses and we'll show you some before and afters here shortly. Come along, bye-bye.